Jose from HM6A, and we're going to talk about multicultural diversity workplace. Understanding cultural diversity, especially in tourism and hospitality, is important because it affects how people think, communicate, and interact in our work. We meet guests and co-workers from different countries, regions, and backgrounds. This means we must be respectful, open-minded, and patient. The lesson highlights the importance of the diversity in the workplace, regional culture, socioeconomic background, and age can influence behavior and expectations. This subject By applying these lessons, we can create better workplace and provide memorable experience for overall, the subject is like a guideline to understand cultures. Thank you and mabuhay!